So today I'm going to take you a little bit through the forest here. You can see there's quite an ancient forest just behind us. Very large hardwood trees, all different sizes and different sorts. Just across from me, I will take you there in a minute, there's a little river, but that probably leads us to the waterfall. So just go and have a look. This is the road leading into the waterfall area, and we're going to walk down this road just to see what is there. Just next to it is a beautiful old tree, must be a couple of 100 years old, and it goes quite high up. It's gorgeous, it's really beautiful. Even in a small tourist attraction like this in Malaysia, it's always quite well organized. Just at the entrance there's a small building which is a toilet building. Here in Malaysia that is called tandas. Lelaki is man and perempuan means ladies. Well, the good thing about this waterfall is normally when there is a waterfall signposted, you will find a car park and then there is another 1 hour walk to get to the waterfall. But I just got out of my car, not even 3-minute walk, and I'm already at the water side here. And just in the far distance here you can see the first start of the waterfall, which is excellent. So I'm gonna go and head down this road here, up the hill, and see what we can find. By the way, let me just turn around. There's a small bridge here. Just some guys arrived. They probably want to jump in the water and have some fun there. So you can get across to the river. There's a little hut on the other side to find some shelter if it would start raining, which it could do just now because we just had quite a bit of rain shower here. I must say, even this small tourist attraction, quite a few things are quite well signposted. There's a few signposts here, but the most important one is this one. Hati-hati ketika mandi means be careful when bathing. So in principle it's allowed to bathe. That more or less it states you are allowed to bathe, but be careful. When I take you just around here, there's an old barbecue here. It's a big concrete barbecue, like a big family barbecue, and of course you got to bring your own coals and your own rack. But obviously they will allow you to barbecue here in the free nature, which is pretty cool. I also saw a signpost somewhere that you could do camping here. There was a tent sign, but I haven't found yet where that could be. So maybe up the road we could find a little bit more. Let's have a look. I actually didn't expect this to be a very large attraction, but it's beautiful. There's another bridge here. Now, as you can see, the river here gets a bit wilder. I can actually see on the top side there's a small bridge where it goes under the road. We'll have a look. By the way, I'm using some sturdy shoes. I wouldn't advise you to come here on your flip-flops, especially if you want to climb over the rock. Oh, that's fantastic. It's really amazing. So I'm smack in the middle at the moment of the river, the waterfall here. But I was told there is a high waterfall as well. So this part here would normally be visited on Sunday afternoons by families and their kids. Now let's see how I could get up through the forest here. Okay. Okay. Jeez. Okay. Part of the waterfall. So in principle, it's two little rivers coming together here. One is going under the bridge, under the road. This is where the river makes like a little turn, 90-degree turn, and then it continues downwards there, down the road. The road doesn't look that steep, but it's going up quite a bit. Okay, now we're getting to a non-tar road, and because of today I am alone and I didn't tell anybody yet that I'm here, I'm not too keen to go in alone. There's a reason for this, because we're in the tropics. If you live in a big city like Kuala Lumpur and you live in high-rise buildings where you have a swimming pool downstairs and there's tons of shops around you, you don't really realize that. Okay, like I said, I didn't feel very comfortable walking here by myself and not knowing, or knowing that nobody knows that I'm here. If something would happen with me, that could be quite dangerous. This is quite beautiful. It looks old though, it looks dead, but it's a big bamboo, and well, it's quite large. That's very clear to see. So this is a moment where we will have to say goodbye. I am going to take you a little bit down the hill with me, and I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you ever visit Malaysia, this is a wonderful stop. If you travel from Kuala Lumpur to Kuantan, it's about a 2-hour drive from toll to toll, I would say. Then to get from the toll booth in Kuantan to get to Kuantan is another 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how heavy the traffic is. And if in Gombak, which is the toll on the Kuala Lumpur side, it also takes you about half an hour to get downtown towards the Petronas Towers. So this Hutan, this waterfall, is about 50 kilometers out. It's just when you come from Kuala Lumpur, it's just before the Bentong toll. So to give you a little bit of an idea, you probably could find that on Google Maps. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, then I'll thank you very much. If you really appreciated it, then consider following this channel, because we have lots and lots of more nice stuff to come. By the way, it starts really raining now, so that's okay. I'm on the right track to get back to the car. If you really liked it, then like the video, and if you really liked it, then share it with a friend. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, ciao ciao, and bye bye.